Hello and welcome friends. I am your teacher Ankit from Aanav Creations. I am going to take your next class in digital marketing season 2. So don't forget to subscribe the channel and hit the like button of that video. So let's get started immediately. Welcome back friends. As you know, our today's topic, as you see in thumbnails, search engine basics. So search engine basics we will study today. Hey, in this video we will talk through some of the history behind search engines. We will explain how search engines have changed business and tell you why they are a great place to market your business on. Okay, so where did your search engine come from? One of the earliest search engine was a program called Archie, which made its debut in 1990 and allowed people to access the search file names, basically the names of the web pages specifically. But Archie could not tell you what was on those pages. Fast forward a few decades and search engines like Google, Bing, Yahoo and Ask.com have come a long way. These search engines use incredibly sophisticated computer programs to sort through a massive number of web pages. Most search engines basically work in the same way, and most are not. When a person wants to find something, they type in a word or phrase called a search query. Then the search engine compares that query to its catalog of web pages, pulling out the best matches to show the searcher. These are displayed on a search results page. Their goal is to create the most relevant list of results possible to help searchers find what they are looking for in this search engine basics. The results page includes links to website, but you might also see local business listings, items for sale, advertisement, images, maps, videos and much more. So how does this apply to you? Well, imagine you are a yoga center. If someone searches for a yoga center named Shiva Yoga Center, that's you. This is the perfect opportunity to appear on the search results page. In the same way, if you are a hardware engineer who repairs laptop or a local bakery ready to deliver birthday cakes on the birthday of the people, you want to show up when people search for related words and phrase. Why? Because the words entered into the search engine indicate the searcher is interested in your products and services right now. See why search is such a great place to be. It's a way to target people who are already looking for you. Don't just take our word for it. You need to explore it. But if you are business interested in promoting products and services online, being a search is a pretty safe bet for you. I hope you like the video. Just hit the subscribe button and hit the like the video button. Thank you so much. Have a good day.